In the world of sim racing, where precision can make or break your race, having the right tools isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Today we're diving into a piece of hardware that promises to elevate your performance, the Precision Sim Engineering Pro Switch panel. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel where we explore the best sim racing gear for racing enthusiasts. Today we're taking a deep dive into the Precision Sim Engineering Pro Switch panel, a product designed by one of the most respected names in the sim racing industry. Based in the UK, Precision Sim Engineering has built its reputation on creating premium, highly reliable hardware for sim racers. Known for their exceptional steering wheels, they have now extended their expertise to this Pro Switch panel. Let's see if it lives up their high standards. Unboxing the Precision Sim Engineering Pro Switch panel is in itself an experience worth talking about. This isn't just opening a box, it's more like unwrapping a carefully crafted gift for sim racing enthusiasts. The moment you open the box, you are greeted by a perfectly arranged layout. The panel sits nestled in custom cut foam, ensuring it's secure and pristine upon arrival. Even the smell of the materials gives a sense of premium quality. The attention to detail in the packaging makes it clear how much care has gone into this product. It's as if they are saying, this isn't just a tool, it's the centerpiece for your sim racing rig. The panel itself is the first thing you will notice. You will already feel the weight and quality of the construction. This isn't some lightweight plastic gadget, it feels substantial, like it's built to last. This is more than a product, it's a carefully crafted experience that is designed to impress at every step. If you're someone who appreciates the little details, you're going to love this unboxing. It's clear that Precision Sim Engineering understands their audience. They know that sim racers value precision and quality, and that experience starts from the very first moment you touch the box. It's rare to feel excited about unboxing a piece of hardware, but this one, it's a celebration of craftsmanship and design. It sets the tone for everything this product delivers once it's on your rig. The Pro Switch panel is designed for seamless integration into any sim racing setup, offering flexibility for both fixed and adjustable configurations. VESA mounts provide a sturdy, reliable option, while the optional RAM mount system, with its ball and socket connection, offers nearly unlimited positioning possibilities. This proven system is simple to use and allows you to place the panel exactly where it works best for you. One of the standout features is the inclusion of 210 high-quality polycarbonate stickers. These are easy to apply and provide endless customization options for labeling buttons based on your preferences, whether it's for ignition, race lights, pit stop, or menu navigation. Precision Sim Engineering even includes duplicates, so you can adjust or replace labels as needed, ensuring your layout evolves with your setup. With these customization options and the mounting flexibility, the Pro Switch panel doesn't just fit into your setup, it enhances it, making it an essential part of a professional tailored sim racing experience. Now let's dive into the features that makes the Pro Switch panel stand out. This device is loaded with functionality, starting with its 20 customizable RGB backlit buttons. Each button offers tactile feedback, ensuring that even in the heat of the race, you won't miss a press. And the RGB lighting, it's not just for the show, it's fully customizable, allowing you to assign colors to specific functions or match the lighting to your setup. On top of that, the two multifunctional joysticks are incredibly responsive, perfect for fine-tuning settings like brake bias, traction control, or camera angles, all without taking your eyes off the track. The build quality is exceptional. It's clear that this panel is designed to endure hours of intense use while maintaining its premium feel. Let's address the big question, the price. At €420 with the additional RAM mount, the Pro Switch panel is undeniable a premium product. But does it justify the cost? Let's find out. While it might not fit every budget, the price reflects the incredible engineering, attention to detail, and versatility this panel brings to the table. For sim racers serious about performance and customization, it's an investment worth considering. Keep in mind there are some additional costs like the additional mounting accessory, but even with these, the Pro Switch panel delivers exceptional value for those looking to elevate their rig. One of the standout features is how seamlessly the Pro Switch panel integrates with SimHub software. SimHub allows you to assign a range of functions to the buttons and joysticks, from controlling in-race settings to managing overlays. The customization options are practically endless, giving you the ability to tailor the panel to your specific racing needs. With SimHub, you're not just buying hardware, you're unlocking a whole new level of control and personalization. During my time with the Pro Switch panel, I've seen how much it transformed my sim racing experience. After spending hours testing the Pro Switch panel, I can confidently say this: it doesn't just enhance your setup, it transforms it. The tactile feedback from the buttons is remarkable. Every press feels solid, deliberate, and responsive. It's the kind of interaction you expect from high-end automotive-grade controls, not just a piece of sim racing hardware. The customizable RGB lighting isn't just eye-catching, it's incredibly useful for identifying critical buttons during intense races. The buttons themselves feel solid and satisfying to press, offering confidence in every action. With over 210 included stickers, customizing the panel to my preferences was a breeze, making my setup feel uniquely mine while adding a professional cockpit-like vibe. The flexibility of the RAM mount allowed me to position the panel perfectly within my rig, making it an integral part of my racing setup. Compared to other button boxes, the Pro Switch panel stands out with its intuitive design, superior build quality, and streamlined functionality. The joysticks are especially useful for making in-race adjustments or navigating menus without losing focus. And what really stands out for me is how the Pro Switch panel bridges the gap between virtual and real. The design, the feel, even the way it integrates into the cockpit, it all makes you believe you are sitting in a real car. For any serious sim racer, the Pro Switch panel is a game changer. It's not just an accessory, it's an investment in a better, more immersive racing experience. So, is the Precision Sim Engineering Pro Switch panel a good investment? That ultimately depends on your needs and priorities as a sim racer. Let's break it down. Precision Sim Engineering has delivered a product with absolutely top-notch quality. With an impressive score of 4.8, the Pro Switch panel excels in every detail. From its exceptional build quality and premium design to its thoughtful presentation. And of course, this level of craftsmanship comes with a price tag, making the PSP more suitable for advanced and professional sim racers. But for those seeking maximum precision and customability, this panel offers immense value. The ability to fully personalize the RGB lighting and button functions adds a whole new layer of enjoyment. Integration with SimHub provides nearly unlimited configuration options. The available profiles by creators like Daniel Newman's SimRacing make setup a breeze. Durable construction ensures the panel withstands intensive use, making it a reliable long-term investment. And while there are cheap alternatives, the PSP justifies its cost by offering unparalleled quality and functionality. In all honesty, there are very few products that can compete with the quality and finish of this product. It stands out on every front. To sum it up, the Pro Switch panel is a fantastic addition for those willing to invest in both quality and design. If you're looking for a future-proof setup that delivers premium performance, this panel is simply a must-have. Please don't forget to check out our in-depth review of the Pro Switch panel on simracinghub.nl. I will include a link to it in the description below. Got thoughts or questions about the Pro Switch panel? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching and keep racing. Bye.